Just to catch a man and go out and see. Should have my camera still. My camera will zoom up closer, but you, as I say, I exercise, I come exercise, I not really walk with my camera. But I show on a regular them pass through work, you go work, you know I think the body have to eat a food, not JA, so I don't see that. That's a clipping to people. I have my camera and I zoom up and I see What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here, yeah, do it.
Make the world it better. Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. I make we lift up the world, yeah.
Take a look at the world.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry. And you know we're back with another video. As what I say. Another day, another dollar. And we're out here, you see me? How they are do it. I know we're up on the beach. We're probably up on the beach a lot from where the you see me? We kinda do look exercise on the beach a morning time. Back and forth like. So the beach I would do like. Yeah. We do like about 10 trip a morning time, 10 laps back and forth, so you know, that will be about 20 laps. So. You know, we have to keep the body fit. something like that, isn't it? Alright. What that talk, boy, you know. So, differently. Yeah, I know me have a very interesting story to talk about today. As me I tell you, quarantine done and thing, so people who know they at work, so we have a whole heap of time for one. Kinda they at work for house still, isn't it? So you know the thing already. You just have to put in some work. Anyways. But I do this little challenge where they get some people like me ask some people a couple questions. Some people that do a thing and like at the last minute them back out. So we have that video the phone. So we still have to try go on that video there. We have find some people willing to do the thing. Like we ask some chef some question like, alright, me ask you now. When you think about Jamaican, what the first food come to your mind? Yeah. I like them question there. Yeah. So it's like, oh, they are go around and interview some chef, but some chef tell you say, oh yeah, them are gonna do the thing and oh they are wait for the thing and nah get it. You see me so then this other video they get cut. But what me not tell you no boy I know still is that alright. You know I travel to work a morning time because I live at St. Thomas and I travel at Kingston. We have to travel at Kingston like every day. Travel to, you see me? You have to travel every day. I'm going to tell you, say, it's a journey, a morning time. So my morning, them wake up for go to work and cha-cha. Because I have to rise like 3 o'clock, 3:30 every morning. Just to reach our work. If you reach our work 5:30 to 6 o'clock a morning time. So you know, check the hours from St. Thomas to go to Kingston. You see me? Yeah, so it's like, I don't remember if I want morning or I want evening. But there so boom man go so. And we in a bus. You know, cause you know you can't take the bus, you can't take the taxi. I'm gonna take taxi when I'm late, cause guess what? The taxi reach a town fast. So enough people probably know that. But guess what? With the taxi you know, yeah, pay big money, uncomfortable. You see me? Cause them want to put a whole heap in night. Which in me not wrong them because that's a taxi and if them put 3 night just a whole that just have like them a burn gas so I'm not wrong them but everybody have them choice so I'm not really do that day there. Yeah, so I'm not really do that day there. I don't remember if I the evening or the morning as me I said before. I don't remember if I the evening or the morning. But for some reason me in this bus. who travel must know this. As I reach in my bus, morning time, you drop asleep. So, it's like, me in the bus, yeah. In the bus the day. And I'm there in the bus and things. I try to remember, and I'm not telling a lie, but yeah, I just remember. It just a click to the brain back again, you see me? So, like, I'm in the bus, for real. And, but there are one corner seat. And one nigga sit down beside me. Me only catch a clip in him, but for some reason, me I say, yo, you don't even know that clip in the delete, because I'm going to show it. I couldn't say, yo, a real thing. He say, it's like the nigga in the bus. And like, the nigga there on a big seat, you know. And you know, say, yo, the bus thing set up a 5 in a row, you know. 5 in a row. Because this is Jamaica, everything. Body a try to make $1. 5 in a row. So the nigga don't know more than drop asleep. Nigga drop asleep. Me I tell you, say, nigga drop asleep to bombard. And that's how the youth say. Fuck off my shoulder. So me I say, yo, brother, ease no brother, ease no brother. And nigga, ease him so. The man, I tell you, the man would have never budge. I would have step my elbow and elbow me like brother, you have to say how this man feel like, say man hour. Yeah, drop asleep on man like. You see me, you do them thing there, brother. Enough people drop asleep and I bus with their mouth open so. Be careful, people take a picture. You see me? You know your picture take and go on the channel, on social media. Done everything done this so. So, these are my thing today. Be careful how you sleep in a bus. Because the man a drop asleep on my brother. The man drop asleep on my dog. I'm not depend on anything there, brother. The man a drop asleep on the there are some people in there. But serious, you see me? That's my time so when they go in a big seat. Anybody can tell you, in a big seat and then say yo, me say, when I did them here, what me I go do phone? I catch it. I'm go back and catch it and make no see no joking, brother. Because I'm travel every day, yes, boy. I tell you, you see me, it catch me a couple times still, you know, but guess what? Probably in the early morning. I know people can wrong me in the early morning, because guess what? I wake up early. So you know I have to put him back a little sleep. And I tell you, I catch me again. It's come like a story time, you see me? You know, we just a reason we don't know, you see me? So, I just reason we are raised how they so fly from. So, it's like one morning, drop asleep, you know. My mother tell me, say, I'm enough to sleep on the bus. But drop asleep. So, I'm going to drop asleep. Alright. And the bus, I'm going to the bus like about 5 minutes after I drop asleep. When me wake up to bombard, me wake up YouTube. When me wake up, nobody in the bus. Me reach a bull beer. You know, bull beer that are right before we reach Kingston, before we reach Harbour View and them thing there. Yeah. Me reach a bull beer. Me look, me not see nobody in the bus. Police take out everybody. You see me? Me wake up to reality just to see nobody in the bus. Everybody out the door get searched already and me alone. So, it's a thing like this, me I tell you, so be careful when you drop asleep, because what could have catch me in the morning is that somebody could have entered the bus and have a weapon or some illegal whatever, you see me, and just pitch it beside me, because them, here where the police them would have tell me, say, yo, me a farm sleep, and them don't know, say me they asleep for true. So my mother tell me, say, yo, don't do that again, you see me. So, I just that we are left on the way to the South Life fam. Be careful when you drop asleep in a bus. Catch me? Them people could have pinned anything from the morning there. So you wanna just be careful. Stay safe. Quarantine. Right now some TikTok thing we are dealing with there. No TikTok I think right now. So you see me? As me say, we are do a local lap. And then we flick back again. So yo, I eat that tomorrow again so fly fam. Wanna just check out the thing. One flicking at the book. Here we are going to do. We just take the book. we just ask the people them to just pick a number, and we just take a number out of the book and we just do a recipe, you see me? Probably we are do the Easter bun. Because I know Easter, we are do the Easter bun. So we have that recipe, that thing there for the boy in next week, in a week. Yeah. The next week. The week to the when. Yeah. But Friday, so you see me? So as would I say, another day, another dollar. And you know we're there, we just show the thing, how the Lice Beach thing set up again. You see me? Tomorrow we go on a grand tour of the Lice Beach, how it's set up. For who live a yard and not there a yard for a while. You can see how Lice thing upgrade and things, so yo, peace.